Deborah. Deborah
What?
Ayeni.
What is your age?
34.
34. 34.
Yes.
So tell us, what came over you that you go about this criminal act? Tell us how it happened, how you conceived the idea.
Nothing.
You said?
It's because I want the baby.
Speak louder. Please, can you speak up?
It's because I want the baby.
You need the baby?
Yes.
Right? Tell us how you planned it. That's what I want to know. Tell us how it happened the day you went to the hospital. And just take us through the journey.
When I got to the hospital, I met them. When I got to the hospital, I met them there, and we were joking. So in the morning, I was holding the baby, and I left with it.
Where did you come from?
From Ekiti.
You are a resident of Ekiti?
Yes.
So have you registered with the hospital before for antenatal or what?
No, I did not register.
You just went there that Sunday?
Yes.
Who told you that there was going to be a delivery?
Nobody.
So how did you know?
It was when I got there.
Is it that when did you go there? Okay, let me ask you this question. Did your husband know that you are pregnant?
Before he left, that was last year. He knows that I was pregnant.
You told him,
right?
That
no.
You were pregnant before?
Yes.
What happened to your pregnancy?
I lost it.
When?
I lost it around March.
This year?
Yes.
Did you tell your husband that you lost your pregnancy?
I did not tell him because he's not around.
He's not around. Where is he?
He's based in UK.
UK?
Yes.
And you decided to go...
Okay, just tell us, what do you want to achieve? It is clinical to fetch.
You can speak in Yoruba if you don't
if you are confident in Yoruba.
Oh yeah.
I just want to take him as mine.
You wanted to take the baby as yours?
Yes.
Are you legally married?
No, but I've done my introduction.
You did your introduction?
Yes.
When?
Last year.
Last year when?
Did you lose
November.
Does it mean that or were you told that you cannot have your own child?
No.
Why stealing a child?
It's because I was thinking maybe if I should tell my husband that I lost the pregnancy, maybe he will leave me.
Is it your first time of stealing a baby?
Yes, this is the first. Yes, this is the first time.
Okay. Can you tell us in Yoruba? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?